Remember I was telling you guys it's important to pay attention to development. So I looked at this property here, see the one behind me? All right, it's 480 units, great location, damn near brand new. You know, but there was a bunch of development stuff going on. I think I did a quick walkthrough a while back. So, you know, we did an event, me and some buddies of mine over at Diversified Equity Partners. And today I'm meeting with one of the guys that's actually one of the partners or biz dev or business strategist that's actually working with the group that's developing this property here, which is literally right across the street from this 480 unit deal that I had took a look at when it came to market. We didn't get this deal. A bigger group ended up getting this deal. Actually came to market, came off market. But look at all the other development that's happening around this place, which is what I thought was going to happen here. There's a hotel, the Ari's Hotel over there, and then there's some other bigger developments going on. But it's good because there's a lot of stuff happening over here in this area. This is like the Otay Ranch area. We made another run at a property too, which was the Pulse Millennia a while back that MG Properties end up getting because that one came on, came off. We were right in the ballpark for where it needed to be, but it didn't come back on the way that we thought it was going to. They waited because of COVID. Anyways, this is what's happening around here. That's a beautiful, but it's an office place. It's going to be an entertainment office / entertainment center for like bigger entertainment, film industry, things like that. And then this property's across the way. So, it's still on my list, man. It's still a target. At some point, somebody's going to sell it, but this is a generational property, brand new. I think when we looked at it, it was 85 or 87% occupied and 80% leased, or not 80% occupied. It was 80%, 87 or 87, 85% leased, but 80% occupied. So it wasn't quite there yet. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys what we're looking at, why I'm looking at it, and just kind of keep tracking. So we're working on deals, looking at stuff, meeting investors and partners, and here's what we're doing. But big picture here, man, there's a lot happening. You got to stay on point. If you don't have time to look for your own deals, you want to invest in deals like stuff like this with us. What's up, man? How's it going? Make sure to just stay in touch with us. Stay in touch with what we're doing. Bell-capital.com. Hit us up. But we did look at this deal. If you go back to our videos, you probably remember me walking the site when it came up. But it's a great asset. It really is, right across the street from some big time development that's happening. Here's what's going on. I love this, man. This is a nice place. So anyways, I'll connect with you guys. I'll let you know how things are going, some other deals we're looking at. But bell-capital.com if you're interested in investing with us. Again, you can't do real estate from the ground. From your couch, man. You got to be out there, which is what me, my partners, all the people in Bell Capital, which is what we do. All right, man. Let's get after it today. Let us know if you need anything. Let's go. Boom.